Hi guys, today is going to be a how-to video on how to set up a battery operated grandfather clock. So there's a few simple things you need to know. When you get your clock, this clock is not very practical, so it's not a lot of things to it, but yeah. So what you have here, 2 weights and a pendulum. So basically, step 1 is basically where you want the clock to be. So I'm just moving it out here for a big screen view, and I've reselected the spot. And make sure that, and it's always best to make sure that the clock, that you make sure that you bought the clock from the location. And also, quick disclaimer, I'm not responsible for you if you get the installation wrong. Now, please note that this installation won't work. So step 1 is basically, you have to move it to the back. Step 1, I always recommend you install the pendulum first. Turn the clock around. Step 2 is you have to pick up the pendulum and move it here and stock it there. Then you can start the pendulum if you want, but it will stop due to the batteries or stuff like that, or not rechargeable. Then step 2 is and then next you install the weights. So close this up and then put the weights down while you're turning it. It's always best to do it. Step 2, and then next you have to open this. Install the weights. No matter what weights you want to use for left or right, no matter, but you can just use no matter, you can use this one of left, you can use this one of right, you can use this one of left, you can use this one of right. There are many variations you can do. So, yeah, you can do it anyway. So, I'm just going to put this one here, and put the other one on this side. It will be a bit finicky to do it, but yeah. Then step 2, make sure the security lock is working. So push it in, and yeah. So anyways, that is how to set up your clock and battery operated grandpa clock. Thanks for watching. Bye.